Hello everyone, my name is Barbara Leichter. I'm from Vienna in Austria. I'm working at the Central Institute for Metrology and Geodynamics in the Department of Geophysics. Within that division we have a group where I belong to, which deals with the broad field of geomagnetism. That is why we are a member of IAGA, where I'm also the national delegate of Austria. Our geomagnetic group at our institute is active, engaged in different divisions and working groups of IAGA. There are, besides the 6 divisions, also 4 interdivisional commissions, and it's an honor for me to be the chair of one of them, the ICEO. The main task of ICEO is the organization of the IAGA schools and to support and simplify the international cooperation between scientists and students. Now we have social media accounts on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and we have also a blog where you can follow us.